Hello students, we are going to start our new chapter, Know Your Planets. Know Your Planets. Our Earth is a unique planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that has water and air. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The large land masses are called continents. The large water bodies are called ocean. Shape of the Earth. And in ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat and had steep edges. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Pictures taken from space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round, but is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. What is a globe? To study the earth, we need its model. A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size, and location of the continent and ocean on a globe. But we cannot always use a globe to study the earth. This is because a large globe is difficult to carry around. A globe is small and all the details of a place cannot be shown on it. We cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at a time on a globe. Maps. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish map maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. A book of maps is called an atlas. We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities, and even a neighborhood. You can draw a map of a school and show all the details on it. In this way, a map is better than a globe. However, the earth is spherical in shape and its surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown correctly on a flat surface such as paper. Try to cover a ball with a sheet of paper without creasing it. You will not be able to do it. So, it is not possible to make an accurate map of a curved surface. However, small areas can be represented fairly accurately on maps. This makes maps useful tools to study the earth. Next, types of maps. There are different types of maps. Physical map show the physical features of a place such as mountains, plateaus, plains, and rivers. Countries, states, and their capitals are shown on political maps. General information about climate and rainfall of a region is shown in climatic maps. Besides these, there are maps that tell us about the industries, populations, transport, minerals, crops, soil, natural resources, forest and wildlife of a region. तो आज हम लोगों ने टाइप्स ऑफ मैप्स तक पढ़ा। फिर नेक्स्ट इसी चैप्टर से नेक्स्ट डे हम फिर पढ़ेंगे रीडिंग मैप्स, डायरेक्शंस एंड स्केल। थैंक यू।